Welcome back. Today we learn about how what is a memory view object gives direct access to the internal memory of binary data without copying it. It's an efficient way to handle large data sets like images, network packets, or file buffers. The memory view works with any object that supports the buffer protocol such as bytes, byte array, or even arrays. Let's see how it works. You can create a memory view using the built-in constructor. Here, memory view lets you look directly into the data but no copies are made. You can even slice it just like a list of bytes object. Accessing and modifying the data. And the best part about memory view is that changes you make are reflected directly in the original object. Notice how we change the first character without creating a new copy. This is called zero copy modification and is extremely memory efficient when working largely with binary data. Slicing and casting. A memory view can be sliced just like list of bytes to create lightweight subviews. We can also cast the view into a different data format. Here we are representing the same memory as bytes without converting or copying data. That's the real power of memory view. Advantages of using the memory view. The memory view type offers several performance benefits. No data copying. You work directly with memory. Modify slices in place without creating the new objects. Ideal for working with binary data, file buffers, or networking code. Great for low level, high performance applications where efficiency matters. Using memory view with files. You can also use memory view with files to handle large binary data efficiently. This way, you can inspect or process the contents of large files without creating multiple copies in memory, saving both time and resources. Releasing a memory view. When you are done using a memory view, you should release it to free the underlying buffer. Once released, any further access will raise a value error. To summarize, the memory view type provides direct zero copy access to binary data. It supports slicing, modification, and data typecasting. It's efficient for file input output, image buffers, and network data handling. Always release memory views after use to free memory resources. Thanks for watching this video.